Welcome to English Bit. On this channel, you will find many useful real-life situations. A morning conversation at home, meeting someone in the park, a taxi ride, airport check-in, a flight on an airplane, and much more. Each video will help you hear natural English speech at a normal pace, learn the most useful words and phrases, improve your pronunciation and listening comprehension, feel confident in real conversations. Subscribe to English Bit, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new lessons.
Hi. Sorry. Is this your phone? I think it fell out of your pocket.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, it's mine.
You're welcome. I'm Emma, by the way.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Do you come to this park often?
Not every day, but I try to come when I can.
I come almost every weekend. It's so peaceful here. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go for walks, sometimes jog, or just sit and listen to music.
That sounds nice. I like walking too, and sometimes I read or go to the cinema. I love comedies and romantic movies the most. What about you?
Movies? I like action and adventure films.
Oh, action movies? Nice! Do you have a favorite one?
My favorite is probably that big superhero movie with the team of heroes.
I see. Mine is a classic animated film about a little fish looking for his son. Have you seen it?
A fish? Oh, Finding Nemo. Yes, I love that one too.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I read quite a bit, especially in the evenings.
You mentioned you read. Do you read a lot?
Mostly fantasy and some history books.
What kind of books do you like right now?
Right now, I'm reading a book about ancient Rome.
That sounds interesting. I'm reading a light mystery novel in English to practice the language. Do you like music too?
Music is my thing too. I listen to rock, classical, and sometimes jazz.
Rock and classical? Cool. Do you play any instruments?
I play guitar a little. Nothing serious, just for fun.
Wow, guitar. That's impressive. I actually want to learn to dance. There are tango classes nearby. Have you ever tried tango?
Tango? I've never tried it, but it looks really interesting.
No? Maybe we should both try it then. The classes are on Thursdays at 7 p.m. at the community center. Would you like to go with me next Thursday? It's just an hour, and they say it's fun even for beginners.
I'm in! Thursdays at 7 p.m. Sounds good.
Great! We can grab a coffee or tea after the class.
Coffee after sounds perfect.
Perfect. Let's meet here in the park at 6:30, and we can walk there together.
I'll be here at 6:30.
Awesome. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, this was a great chat.
See you on Thursday, Alex. Bye!
See you Thursday, Emma. Bye.
Mike, wake up.
What time is it?
It's already 7.
5 more minutes, please.
No, you have to get up now.
Just a little longer.
No, you'll be late.
Where?
Late for work.
Oh, right. I completely forgot.
Hurry. Get out of bed.
Okay. I'm getting up.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. My eyes are barely open.
Go and brush them now.
All right, I'm going.
And wash your face, too.
I'll wash it, don't worry.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I made scrambled eggs and toast.
Great, thanks.
Hurry. Your tea is getting cold.
I'll drink it now.
Already awake a bit?
A little, but coffee would help.
You have tea.
I know, but coffee wakes me up more.
You're funny.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I got up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
That's why you're always late.
Maybe you're right.
Look, it's almost 8.
Oh no, I have to hurry.
Yes, put on your shoes.
Where's my bag?
Your bag is on the chair.
Oh, found it.
Don't forget your phone.
Thanks. I almost left it.
Be careful on the way.
Okay. See you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thanks.
Bye, Mike.
Bye, Sophia.